Imagine walking through the sunlit streets of ancient Athens, surrounded by marble temples, bustling markets, and the birthplace of Western philosophy. Among these streets lived one of history's greatest thinkers, Plato. But who was he, and why do we still talk about him today? Plato was born around 427 BCE in Athens, Greece, to a wealthy and influential family. His real name? Aristocles. Plato was actually a nickname meaning broad, which may have referred to his robust physique or expansive intellect. Growing up during the Peloponnesian War, Plato witnessed political turmoil and the downfall of Athens' democracy. These events profoundly shaped his philosophical outlook. As a young man, Plato became a devoted follower of Socrates, the legendary philosopher known for his method of questioning everything. Socrates inspired Plato to seek truth and wisdom, but tragedy struck when Socrates was executed by the Athenian government in 399 BCE. This event left a deep scar on Plato and pushed him to explore how society could achieve justice and avoid corruption. After Socrates' death, Plato traveled widely, visiting places like Egypt and Italy. These journeys exposed him to new ideas, from mathematics to mysticism, which he blended into his philosophy. When he returned to Athens, Plato founded the Academy, the world's first university. Here, he taught a wide range of subjects, from ethics to astronomy, and his academy would influence thinkers for over 900 years. Fun fact, one of his students was none other than Aristotle. Plato's most famous idea? The theory of forms. He believed that the physical world we see is just a shadow of a higher, perfect reality. Think of a chair. The one you're sitting on is just an imperfect version of the ideal chair, a perfect form that exists beyond our senses. This concept became a cornerstone of Western philosophy. In his masterpiece, The Republic, Plato tackled the big question: what is justice? He imagined an ideal society ruled by philosopher kings, wise leaders who value truth over personal gain. While his ideas might sound utopian, they continue to spark debates about leadership, governance, and morality. Plato's influence is impossible to overstate. His writings shaped fields like philosophy, politics, and education, laying the groundwork for Western thought. Without him, we wouldn't have Aristotle, and without Aristotle, well, modern science might look very different. Over 2,400 years later, Plato's questions about reality, truth, and justice still challenge and inspire us. So next time you hear someone debating the nature of existence, remember, it all started with Plato. Thanks for watching, and keep questioning everything. If you enjoyed this quick dive into Plato's life, hit that like button and subscribe for more philosophical adventures. What's your favorite Plato idea? Let us know in the comments.